Hey everyone, my name is Martin Schroeder from SwedishEmbedded.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to do to get started selling your knowledge online without having to share anything for free, so you can get started and you can get paid right away. So one of the ways that people do this wrong is that they think that they have to record a course in the beginning to actually start selling something, but that's completely wrong. And the only reason that people think that is because they see other courses out there that are already finished courses, and they think that that's where they need to get started. But the truth is that you don't get started there. You get started by validating your idea first, and doing so with people that are already willing to pay you money. So you don't invite anybody to try it for free, or you don't offer anything for free, because that just gets the wrong audience into your course, and you cannot really get the correct feedback from that. So I'm going to show you how you can start doing this and get paid for it right away from the very beginning. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get really clear about your audience, about your niche, and about the people that you're actually going to be targeting with your course. And your audience is going to, you knowing who your audience is going to determine what you then put in your course. So the first thing is audience. The sub point here with audience is the result that you're going to be getting for them. So your combination of audience and result. So you don't have to think too much about this. In fact, if you're thinking way too long about this, you're actually doing it wrong, because you have to pick something. It's better to pick something instead of not picking anything at all. So just pick anything. Just pick the most obvious thing that comes to mind, and go through the process, iterate through the process a few times. And as you iterate, you can then adjust your audience and the result that you're going to be getting for them. So it's an iterative process. It's not something you set in stone. You just start somewhere, and then you go through the process once, and then you go through the process again. So the next step is that you create an outline for your training in order to get this result for your audience. So the outline is basically a bullet point list. It's not any complex training. You don't put together the full training. You just put out an outline for the steps that are required to take this customer from point A to point B, which is the B is the result that they want, and point A is where they are right now. So this outline then outlines the milestones for this way from their current situation to their desired situation. And on each milestone, you then outline steps that they need to take in order to get there. But once you're done with this, you have to validate it. And it's very important that you start validating it by actually selling this, this course. So you're doing this for people that are already paying you money for this information, and not with a bunch of people who are there for free, or a bunch of people that are not the right audience, that are maybe there just for out of curiosity, because they just they're not really your target market, but they're just there sort of to learn something new. You don't want those people, so you have to start charging for your course right away. So what you do is you offer this training as a live training, which you do over Zoom live to the people, and you answer all the questions, and you go through each step, and you actually validate that the people understand each step of the way, and actually then get the result that they were expecting. And when you go through this process live, you get direct feedback from the audience about whether your outline is valid or not. And you're going to be noticing things that maybe you missed, or things that should be there, or things that are should be taken out of the outline. And when you have done this a few times, so you iterate this, you go back to your audience. Once you've done your live training, you go back to your audience, you iterate, then you create a new outline, and then you do another live training, and then you go back. And once you've done this a few times, then you have the material that you need for creating your actual course, which you can record and put online and actually sell as an automated system, which people can just go and follow one step at a time and get the result that they were expecting. So if you think that this is valuable to you, if you can see the value in this, then I want to invite you to my training, where we go through the whole process live, and I can show you in more detail how you should think about all of these steps involved, and how you can actually sell this online so that you can get people on this training that you're doing, and validate your course idea. So to do that, all you have to do is go and register for my monthly coaching at swedishembedded.com/now. It's a monthly coaching, and you're going to be invited to live training sessions. And also, you're going to be getting, as a bonus, access to all the content that I have in the backend, which is a combination of 3 different areas. Number 1 is embedded software development. Number 2 is embedded hardware development. And number 3 is any information related to marketing. And I'm constantly updating the backend. The price for this, the monthly price for this, is going to go up steadily every single day. So if you sign up tomorrow, you're going to be paying more for it every month. But if you sign up now, you're going to pay the same price that you started with. You're going to pay it every single month, and it's not going to increase for you. So I still have people, for example, that are paying just $5 a month because they started earlier and they had that price when I was just starting out. And so they continue paying that price until they cancel. So you can cancel at any time. It's completely risk-free. Go to swedishembedded.com/now and register. And I'm looking forward to having you in my group and assisting you in your success with online education and online courses. Thank you for watching and have a good day.